Dear TM6, I'm writing this letter to you because I would like you to hear this from me and not from someone else. There's a new Thermomix in town. I need to start working with her. We'll do videos together, parties together. You know the drill. Everything you and I were doing, I need to start doing with her. It's not you, it's progress. I know you understand. I'm really, really sad. You were my first Thermomix. You showed me I could dare to cook anything. When I met you, I was ashamed because all I could cook was a sandwich. I never wanted to host for friends, and I was feeling really guilty about the meals I was giving my family. And then you came along. Any recipe I could dream of, you made a reality. Not only that, you made it fun. You became my obsession. My new game was to choose a new recipe every day and see if it came out perfect. And the answer was always, wow. My kids could not believe it. My husband was asking, what were we eating before Thermomix? I was hosting for friends, going to potlucks, making cakes for neighbors' birthdays. You made me feel like I had a superpower. I became more confident, proud, happy. You and I started making videos. People started liking them, so we made more. I still remember our first video. I didn't know how to use the microphone yet, but I was very excited to show you to the world. We made the Tesla video, and we got a lot of compliments. We made many, many more. And finally, we made the 6-minute explanation so people could learn all about your features. We have laughed, cried, cooked together. When you leave me alone for a second, I still spill the rice, burn stuff in the oven, or forget an ingredient here or there. But then you hold my hand and I'm Super Diana again. I have learned so much. I have taught so many people. Who would have ever thought I will be teaching people how to cook with an appliance? Yes, but still, me, the dummy cook, teaching kitchen skills. Unbelievable. And it's all thanks to you. This February, we heard about the new TM in town. You and I welcomed her, presented her to the world. And as exciting this all was, we both knew this would be hard for us eventually. I can't believe I need to say goodbye to you. I owe you so much. I can't bring myself to say it. So much that I just decided, you're not leaving. This is not goodbye. No, it cannot be. I know what to do now. There's room for both of you. I don't need to choose. You'll stay in my kitchen countertop and we'll make room for the TM7. You will be the best team I could ask for. Yes, I'm excited. This is the solution. This is exciting. We'll both learn from the TM7 and she'll learn from us. Yes, we have a plan. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
TM6, thank you.